So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with many important opportunity for the freshers. If you are the fresher looking for job opportunity, then I came with many opportunity from the Zenpact, eBuy, PwC, and the important hiring. So first important opportunity, that is from the autorabbit holding. They are hiring for the role of software engineer intern Java, and the requirement is you should have knowledge of this. Okay, so this is a 6-month internship program, and there is strong chance of conversion to PPO. So if you want to apply, you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. The desired skill set they are requiring, that you should have knowledge of React JS and modern front end development, and strong knowledge of OOPS concept and data structure. Okay, so data structure will require in everywhere, and if you are recent graduates in computer science, IT or related field, then you can apply for this. Okay, you should be available for at least 6-month internship. Next important opportunity, that is from the eBuy. So they are announced the hiring for the role of technology consulting data analytics intern. Remember, this hiring is still going on and students are also getting reward, but the main thing, you should apply with updated resume. Okay, so the requirements for this is just basics in technical skills, another, and good to have a knowledge or experience with Figma and interest in these things. Okay, you should be familiar with front end technology like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Moving to next, that is from the PwC. They are hiring for the role of data analytics associate, and the job location is Kolkata, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai. So this update already I provided in the previous video too. So the requirement is you should have knowledge of Python and knowledge of SQL. Good to have accounting experience, cloud experience if you have, and from the, if you are from the BE, BTech, MCA background, then you should apply for this wonderful opportunity. Next important opportunity, they are looking for the Java developer, and job location is Pune, Wakad on site. So the requirement is you should have strong knowledge of core Java, Spring Boot, REST API and database. So if you are interested, you can share resume to this mail ID. Friends, recently TCS have announced the result for the interview. First of all, congratulations to all of them who have cleared the this assessment. Now just one steps are there. So if you want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can fill the form in the description. Okay, we'll provide you complete guidance and support which will help you to clear this interview. Next important opportunity for the role of graduate engineer training, qualities inspection, mechanical, automobile. So the, if you are from the BE, BTech and graduates in mechanical or automobile engineering, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. The compensation we will be getting 17,500 per month, and CTC around 20,000 per month. So passing year 2023, 2024, 25 all can apply. So if you know any candidates from the mechanical background, then you can share with them. Okay, because they are limited hiring for the mechanical. Next opportunity, that is from the techpulse ID services. They are looking some fresh, means some experience guys, means if you have minimum 1 year experience in OOPS concept and Java and Spring Boot, then you can apply for this. And last importantly, that is from the Salesforce. They are hiring for the role of software engineer AMTS, and this is a wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this. Okay, requirement is you should be passed out in 2026 computer science, electrical and equivalent related field. Okay, so earlier I provided updates for that, but that time link was expired. Now again the hiring has been opened, so don't miss this time. The requirement is just you should be having 7.5 CGPA, and you should be having good knowledge of the, means basic knowledge of Salesforce and other. So if you are the person who want to apply, must apply for this important opportunity. For getting such important update, you can subscribe us, and कोई भी query feel free to ask it. We can connect on LinkedIn, or you can ask any query at Insta, Facebook, WhatsApp or whatever platform you are comfortable with. मिलते हैं next important job updates में. Thank you.